Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for July 8th going into the 9th. I'm going to start off with natural gas. Really been chopping sideways hard here for a number of days. The trade above 331.50, as it projects this upward 180 ticks plus. But we failed to see that. We only rallied up to 335.50 before failing back below and seeing the pressure warned about on a break back below down to 320.30. Decent failure below 318.90 plus 0.3 of a tick per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Wednesday evening. Will warn of decent pressure for 150 ticks plus. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. Decent trade above 334.30 minus 0.1 of a tick per hour. We'll project this upward 200 ticks minimum, 480 ticks plus maximum, and possibly start this in a bull trend. If we break above that decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. A decent penetration is going to be 40 ticks until the Thursday open at 9 o'clock. Thereafter, it'll be 36 ticks. Okay, in the crude oil, we left a medium bullish reversal below on the day. We'd also left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday. We've seen the strength from that over the past 2 days here. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The break back above 67.91 right in here. I brought in strength up to 76.08. A maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. That would be more effective if/when we take out 70.72 in the process. Although we left a medium bullish reversal below on the day itself warns of pressure overnight, possibly down to this gap before/if resuming higher trade. In the RBOB, I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 287.06 said warns of decent strength. And we have seen strength up to 315.51 with additional areas that are suggested getting long above at 295.75. I said Monday we left a medium bullish reversal below that warrants a higher trade in general for days/weeks. And decent trade above 301.18. We'll project this upward 7 cents minimum, 30 cents plus maximum. And so far, we have traded up to 315.12. Decent failure back below that line will warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 3even.90 minus 2 per hour, starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday evening. I did suggest we're possibly in the last stretch of this move up. We held this lower exhaustion here multiple times before breaking above it. And now we're rejecting out of this upper one right here. But the next area above that isn't till much higher. We could also be in a correction against a move down from the highs with possible exhaustion here at 320.24. But above that, we really don't have anything until 332.37. The maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. In the heating oil, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 320.04 projects this upward 6.5 cents minimum, 25 cents plus maximum. We detained 25.37 coming into today, but then further rallied up to 377.14. And we had additional levels to be long above at 317.53, 324.15, 327.58. On the day, we also left a large bullish reversal below. Warrants a higher trade for days/weeks. And taking out this formation was significant also, which I think I said in yesterday's post-market would likely bring a run up to these highs, but possibly take out the highs as well. Decent failure back below that line is going to warrant a decent pressure, and that's going to come in at 354.78 plus 2 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. And the Brent, I won't go over all the higher time frame stuff. I warned the 69.38 to 67.80 general area as a final area of possible exhaustion on the downside for a correction against the move up from 58.83. And if we hold this and begin a new bull structure, it should be significant. And we came shy of that with the 70.14 low and rallied to 80.59. We also left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday, and from the 72.79 open we rallied to 80.59. On the day we also left a medium bullish reversal below. That warrants a higher trade for days/weeks. On the day itself, it warns we may see some pressure down into this gap before/if resuming higher trade. A maintained gap lower tomorrow with even minor bearish reversal above, but that'll be more effective if/when we take out 74.41 in the process. And gas oil, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The break above 896.59. I said projects us upward 19 minimum, 60 plus maximum. We'd attain 98.41 of that coming into today, and even more than that up to 1089.75. I also said Tuesday we left a medium bullish reversal below, which warrants a higher trade for days/weeks. And I had other areas to be bullish above at 914.25, 942.75, 960.22. We've now taken out both of these formations also, which warrant a higher trade up to this high and possibly up to 1141.50. If we were to fail back below either of those, that would warrant decent pressure. The upper one comes in at 1009.99 plus 6 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the cadence going into tomorrow is the heating oils are strongest, the RBOB in the middle, and the crude the weakest of the three relative to one another. I would also note that in the RBOB to heat, we left a minor bearish reversal above 2 weeks ago, but on the day today, we also left a medium bearish reversal above that warns of lower trade for days/weeks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.